Yo, what's happening guys? Welcome back to Tokimotive. Alright, so it's currently Sunday, which I've kind of fucked off all weekend and haven't really done much of anything, which is just is what it is, but I'm going to keep cutting into it, keep pulling more and more of the rust out. We've got patches like this up in here, and there's more to remove in these sections. I want to cut a bit more of this ruined metal out because this bit's, it's cheese, there's not much left in that. And I'm also thinking I'm going to take a hammer to these parts, because if you've seen the Lambo door install video for the wagon, you'll see that this bit had to be squashed in with a hammer, and the seam that ran along here, which is that bit there, had to be actually cut off so that that sat flat, so the hinge could sit out in here like that. I'm unsure if I'm using the Lambo doors yet or not, because the Lambo doors will bolt directly to the 33. Thinking while I'm in here welding stuff, I should probably just bash that in, cut this and plate it in a way that will allow for that in advance, rather than going back and cutting seams off and messing around with it and unsettling the whole lot again. I get cracking into it. I've got to finish pulling all the stuff from under the dash out, because this bit of fucking insulation stuff behind the carpet and everything started catching on fire when we were grinding it, so I'm definitely not going to get in there with a welder. I'm running out of time this weekend, so I'll bang this on a time lapse, all that stuff, and we'll just crack into it. bit me. I fucked up. There's a lot of blood all over the shed. Yeah, the grinder just bit the metal and then spat at me, and then spun round and in my hands basically, and just cut me up. But it was a ripper disc, so it's all abrasive and dirty, and I think I'm in shock. I feel sick. I've had a couple of beers and Kat's had a couple of beers, so it can't drive me to the hospital to get it cleaned up and stitched up. So I'm waiting for the ambulance now. This went south really fast.
The dog's licked up like half of it.
That's disgusting.
I know.
The face of the ripper disc chewed up this knuckle, and it's kind of cut it up fairly deep. When they were squirting the stuff in to clean it, it was kind of inflating my whole knuckle, so that was fucking interesting. But this side, I chewed out that whole bit right near my wrist. I'll attach a little photo of that. My phone was going flat, so I only got like 1 or 2 photos, and none of them really showed it too well. But I was lucky. Apparently I haven't cut any tendons, I haven't cut any nerves, and I was half a centimeter off cutting one of the main arteries in my wrist. So there's that. I'm quite lucky. This bit's a bit numb. This bit, like, I can't feel that bit at all. So I have a feeling that unless it's just the swelling, I may have got a little bit of nerve damage there, but they couldn't see a cut nerve. So I don't know. I've still got full use of my hands. They're a bit sore and a bit limited by the stitches, but they're feeling okay. I should make a full recovery, at least with function and everything anyway. So it is what it is. I really don't know whether having the guard on it would have saved me or not there, but it's just one of those things. I probably shouldn't have used a ripper disc in there in the first place. My wire wheel ran out of wire. So I decided to get a ripper disc in there to, you know, clean up all the edges, ready so I can start welding some plate in. But it bit the metal hard and spat back up at me. From what I can get from the time lapse, the little snippets I got out of that, it's chewed this knuckle first, and then it's spat back, and the edge of the ripper disc has gone into here. Yeah. Oh, unfortunately, it's put me out of work for the next 8 to 10 days. So yeah, funds are very tight. So I'm going to have to try and work out how I'm going to exactly fund the merch drop I want to do. I've still got to design everything, but coming up to Christmas, I've got to work out how I'm exactly going to fund it. But it is what it is. I'll work it out. I'll make it happen. But anyways, guys, I'm not going to keep this for much longer because I kind of want to just go in and chill out at this point. But if you made it through the end, thanks for watching. As usual, tell your friends about the channel. Gosh, the door just scared me. Like if you enjoyed the video. I know not much happened apart from me hurting myself, but it is what it is. Anyways, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next one.